Hey everybody, good morning. What we have here is a 2022 Ford Raptor, brand new. I know it looks like it's a mess, and that is because our client uses this as intended. They drive it off-road all the time for work at highway speeds. So you'll see all the caked on mud, and what you're seeing here is all bug guts and everything. And so today what you're gonna see is you're gonna see us cleaning it up and ceramic coating it. And then you'll see it again in a couple weeks. We'll compile the video together for you, but we'll see it again in a couple weeks when they come back from their next job, and we'll show you the difference in how easy it is to clean up once it's ceramic coated and compared to now where it's, you know, completely uncoated and everything's kind of stuck on there and all these bug guts have been sort of caked on over the last few weeks. So enjoy this as much as we are. So what I'm gonna do first is, you know, you'll see me, I'm gonna use P&S bug off, which is a really good bug remover. So you'll see me, I'll kind of pre-soak the bugs. We got the double bucket wash method like I talked to you about in our aftercare how-tos, which you know, we got the foam cannon and the double bucket, which we'll use. Spot-free water, rinse it off. It's probably gonna take a couple tries. And same thing with the mud, and we'll get it all cleaned up, we'll coat it, and we'll revisit this again in a few weeks. All right guys, we're back. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to clean this Ford Raptor up after we coated it with SB3 Omega. I did some wheel wells, I did some suspension parts and the wheels and the glass. If you come up here, come here Mike. So you take a look at this, see how much bugs we got on this. Client works out off-road, so it gets a lot of bugs. Windshield was apparently just as bad, but it came off pretty easy. It was so thick you couldn't even see out his windshield. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to clean up once your vehicle's ceramic coated, and yeah, enjoy. All right, so you see how easy it was to clean the bugs off of this, and the suspension parts cleaned right up with SB3 Omega on the paint, and other plastic surfaces have some trim, Optic on the windshield, Vortex on the wheels, and I think we put Vortex on the suspension parts. So see how easy it cleans up? Come out and get SB3 Omega.